How are you doing tonight?
I don't know.
Well, you feeling pretty good?
Oh, oh.
You look pretty good.
Mm-hmm. He's a good-looking guy.
Hi, Nana.
Right.
That's your grandson, Lenny.
Leonard.
Lenny
Yeah.
Jr. Mm-hmm.
Leonard.
So you're feeling good? Get her, Lenny. Get her. Get her, Lenny.
Get her.
Oh, you mean?
Good-looking guy.
Thank you.
What about me?
You're not a guy.
Good answer.
Look what eyes. There's my girl.
Mhm.